Hey guys, it's Coordinator here, and I'm at a train show up in Frankfurt. Not Frankfurt, Glendale? Where are we?
We're Bowling.
Bowling Green. This is my friend Zeke here. Hey, say hi, Zeke. Alright. This is some real cool stuff, guys. And I even paint stuff like this. Thought maybe make a video for y'all. And look, they have it like where they're actually building it. Isn't that cool? Hey, Caroline.
Hands up!
Anna.
Put your hands up! They're gonna hit!
They're gonna hit.
Yeah, I thought they were gonna. Look at this one's gonna go over the bridge. This one's gonna go over the bridge.
That's what they're growing up with. What we grew up with is grumpy old freight. This is really cool, guys. I love this type of stuff. I know it's all dorky to y'all, but hey.
That's so cool. This one's going around the mountain.
I'll update you when I see something else. Here's more of it, guys.
No, they're coming.
It's gonna come around anytime soon. I wish I could zoom in on this thing. Whoops. Take a look at that, guys. Let me show you something. Look how they detailed all this. Look at the gears. And look at this. It's like a little community. This is like, look at that. I really wish I could zoom on this app for you guys because this is really cool stuff. Looks like they're building something over there. And train should be coming back around anytime soon.
Hey, Ryan.
What's up? Oh, hey, look at that, guys.
Remember we went over there, the last river?
No.
Huh?
No.
We never been there?
I don't think so. I don't remember.
Is it?
Okay, hold on, guys. Trains.
Come over here.
Whoop, here it comes. Here it comes, guys.
You know, we made almost 80,000 import tanks. And you never hear about it. We sold like 15,000.
Oh, that's a shame.
You only hear about the T-34 and Carolina. But the difference,
Okay.
yes,
Hey,
they
yo,
didn't
she's
know
behind
they
you.
used them.
Bill Griffin?
Could be. I think it was. He was in bad shape, and I saw him there in Madison in June, and he said, I ain't been out around.
Yeah. Well, he still have a rough time.
Right here.
Hold on, sweetie.
What time is this thing over with?
This.
It's probably for the train itself, because it's like, I don't exactly know, sweetie.
This is a machinery wholesale.
Machinery wholesale?
Yeah. G. Willikers.
You can always buy that over there.
What? Oh, look at that. Look at the... This is old. See how old it is.
How can you tell? Because it's not plastic?
Yep, it's good. United States of America. They're what?
Yeah, they're really Tootsie Toys. These are more of them.
So what's a Tootsie Toy?
Well, they used to be cheap toys for kids back in the 20s and 30s. They're real collectible.
People couldn't afford an electric.
Huh?
Yeah,
Look at this.
that's a whole set right there.
All made out of die-cast metal?
Yep, yep. Yep.
Isn't that cool, Caroline? Back in the day, all these toys are made out of plastic. These things are made out of metal. Look at that.
Yep.
And you got candy. Look at this lock, Caroline. $35 for this lock. There's all the people fur train.
Yeah, those are made in Germany.
Made in
Those
Germany?
figures. Yeah, and hand painted.
Huh.
They're all hand
I
painted.
love to do stuff like that. I love to hand paint that stuff.
Oh yeah,
Real
I've
fun.
done a lot of it myself.
Really? Look at that, man. Where'd you get those? What? And they just gave you that?
I asked for the package.
Coin explode. Coin explode. Okay.
You have the squeakiest voice in the videos. You'll be like,
Thanks.
you have a girl voice.
Oh, I mean, at least, I can at least do it right.
You like at least a try.
I don't even have to try. Recording. Come on. Look at that. Yeah, I want to go in that more. How big this stuff is, guys. You can all see that. Yeah, I don't anymore. I'm going insane. Don't forget your luggage, guys. Hey, look how old this is. It's all torn up.
You're gonna go all the way through and even into the engine car. We'll come back to this car. So if you will, go all the way through and into the engine car, and we'll come back to this car. Leave it.
Yeah, that's what you were talking about earlier. Always wanted to be in one of these things, man. Looks like they stripped it.
This isn't narrow at all.
Look at this, man.
Keep on going.
Don't you tell me what to do, youngster.
Keep going.
I fought in 2 World Wars, youngster. I'll kick your butt. I don't think we're supposed to be up here, but
I want to go up there. Go up.
this is where the conductor, not a conductor, but this is where the engineer would sit, or driver. And I can't move that much stuff, but hey, I can move.
Get out. You can leave that one down.
In this car, what you're seeing are 2 displays. Those displays are large and built to size of the engine. They're also full of information. The first one here is about the steam engine. The second one about the electric diesel engine. So you can look at all of those things, take in a few new facts that maybe you didn't know before. You're also more than welcome and encouraged to check out the engineer's seat and take photos up there. It's an amazing view. So be sure to enjoy that. We'll spend about a minute or so in here, and then we'll make our way back to the post office car. If you have any questions, do let me know.
I feel like I'm in a submarine.
Really?
Kind of feels like a submarine because it's like
Yeah. Inside the firebox. Excuse me, sir, I'm sorry.
Like dinosaurs?
see how they thought of the idea how to make this.
This is how big it is, guys. It's pretty cool. I'll take you back up to the engineer's room real quick. Yeah, I see people in there. It's pretty cool. And let's close it.
Oh, Aaron's gonna drive a train. Aaron.
Get your picture taken yet?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll take yours. You guys go up yet?
TJ didn't go up.
This used to be a generator in here.
All right, welcome to the RPO car. This is actually my favorite car. The reason being is because honestly, we could take all of the museum stuff out and you would still have a fairly good idea of how it works. I can tell as you're exploring in a discovery style right now that you're on your own. You're already kind of learning all about it. And so that's why I love this car. There's also a few things that don't quite meet the eye the first time you see them. Down here being one of them. It starts with a door that's down here. And like I said, because we have so many kids, I don't want to open it because it's just an opening and very easy to have an accident that way. So I'll just show you what's on the other side of that door. And that's this very large hook. This part right here is connected to the train, and then this hook swings out on that door. This hook is used to bring in the mail bags that you see in this train, and in doing so they have to use this hook to grab those bags off of the metal poles while the train moves at 70 miles per hour. So a very impressive task. Once the bag is brought on though, they are then sorting the mail in those bags, and they do so about 600 pieces of mail per hour. So another impressive fact about this car. Now these smaller green slots that you see, if you reach out in front of you and grab one of those bars rotate. These slots are used for local stops, and so as you can tell, there are not enough to cover all the stops between Louisville and Nashville, let alone the ones that want to be expanding up north towards Cincinnati and down south towards New Orleans. Definitely wasn't enough to cover all of that. The stops that didn't need us on the tracks, the ones that had to go to another service, those were in these bins, long distance stops. And so like for example, this one says Myrtle Beach. And they are handy in a different way. You hang the bag from hook to hook, holding the bag open, and then you open the slot and the mail falls straight into the bag, adding to that quick and sufficient process that they had to have on this car. The racks that are holding the bags completely open down here, those are for packages, newspapers, bigger pieces of mail, things of that nature. The racks that you see down here in operation are the same racks that are up against the windows and down both sides. Also, if you shop later in our gift shop,